What's up YouTube? It's Wes, and today I'm taking a look back at the DJI Osmo Action. Now the Osmo Action came out in early August of 2019 and it's seen its fair share of updates. But the reason why I'm making the video today is because there was an update that came out on 3/25, which I totally missed. And I think with everything going on, this is a pretty significant update. It only came with 2 key features and the update is version 1.8.00.10. Those features are number 1, optimize stabilization when moving fast and recording. So there may have been an issue with rock steady and fast motion. It looks like they went ahead and addressed that issue. And number 2, they added live streaming. It will require you to have DJI Mimo App version 1.2.20. But once you have that, you'll be able to stream to Facebook, YouTube, and RTMP. I wanted to make this video to kind of walk you guys through the steps on how to stream to YouTube. You'll need to have certain camera settings, certain phone settings, and then certain settings on the YouTube backend to make sure that it's working. I think this would be a great way to share video or content with friends or family with all the things going on, and you know how we're all restricted and unable to leave our homes. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the live streaming on the Osmo Action. So first step, you want to go ahead and get your DJI Osmo Action turned on. You want to connect to the Osmo Action on your phone app. And then once you're connected on the phone app, you'll then see a new option on the far right called live streaming. You want to go ahead and click on that. You'll then have 3 new options, which are the Facebook, YouTube, and RTMP. You want to go ahead and click on the YouTube option and then press live stream. It gives you a screen that says starting a live stream, this may take a minute, and then it asks you network connection, and so you'll have to manually input your network, but I went ahead and got mine all set up so it's connected to my home Wi-Fi. Describe your live stream. So in this one I'll just go ahead and put test. I'm gonna save this as unlisted since this is a test. The resolution, you only have 480p, and it says smooth, and then 720p HD. Bit rate, I always turn the bit rate up a little bit to 4 megabits. And then it says auto save to SD card. Yeah, I'd like it to save. If you don't have that option on, I guess it will try to save it to YouTube, or you just lose the footage. And then it asks you what account do you want to use, and it'll bring up your YouTube accounts that are available. And so just select whichever one that you want to do the live stream on. And then as you can see on the camera, it says preparing to live stream. And I want to go ahead and hit start live stream. All right, so the live stream has started, but you're not done yet. Next, you want to go over to YouTube, and then you want to click on your icon on the right-hand side. And then you want to go to YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio pulls up, you'll see dashboard and then videos. Click on the videos. And then you want to click on live. And then you'll see your live streaming. It says upcoming next to it. Then you want to scroll right next to it. You'll see details, analytics, and then view in live control room. Go ahead and click on that. And then it gives you a couple of other options to name it. It's unlisted, YouTube live stream description, entertainment. You can click on those drop downs, and then I like to just click no, it's not made for kids, and then next. And then it paste the stream key into your software. You may also need a stream URL, so you can go ahead and copy this and send it to people for your live stream. And then next you click on done. And then at the far right hand side, at the very top right next to your picture, you click on go live. So my stream is running, it's now working, and that's all you have to do to get it going. It took me a while to figure that out. If you don't click on that start live stream, it won't start. When it's done, it will save to YouTube, so long as you click on end stream. And that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. please go ahead and like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell notification, and other than that, I'm out, YouTube. Peace.